came in.
As you can see from the title of the video today, we are going to be doing a clothing try-on haul from this actual boutique that I found on Instagram. It's called styledelivers. I did see a few pieces there that seem a little bit interesting, so I wanted to give it a try. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Veronica Ponce. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. Also click the bell to get notified every time I do an upload. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Let's get started with this two-piece right here. This is a royal blue colored two-piece skirt with the kind of like a sweater because it has a hoodie right here in the back. The material of the two-piece is actually like a sweater type. I do like the fact that the skirt, it gives me, you know how the sweaters that have hoodies, they have the pockets right here below and you can just put your hands in there. Well, this is how this skirt is, which is pretty unique. I love that detail. You can just put your hands in there. But not only that though, I think what caught my attention was the actual chain itself. This gold chain that comes across here from side to side in the front of the skirt. And then also right here, if you can see, it's actually open and the chain is what connects the both of them on there. So it's really nice. Like I said, the material, it is warm, so it's not see-through or anything like that. The only issue with me is that the skirt is really short. So I have to make sure that if I do end up wearing it, I can't bend over, or two, I have to just kind of like keep pulling it down because yeah, it is really short. But other than that, like I said, it does have a hoodie as well. Also, for the names of all these pieces that I'm going to be showing you today, I will be leaving them on the screen because the clothing did not have the tag with the actual name on it, so I don't have it right now. I have to look up on their site really quick and see what the names are, but I will make sure I will put it on the screen along with the size of the pieces that I actually got. So let me go ahead and turn around and show you.
I know you wanna get to know me, but honestly I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling you.
Let's go with the next one. This next two-piece set, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I think I say that about almost all of them, but this one right here is that faux leather. I think that's what it's called. I think last in my video I said it wrong. I think I said fox leather. Sorry, potatoes, same thing. But anyways, this one right here, it's a dark brown color. It does have the kind of a string right here to attach it and button it at the back. It's long sleeve, it's very warm, and the skirt has a little tiny slit right here on the side, which it gives it that really detail, and it's like a pencil skirt, so it's really fitted. I really like it, and does have the collar here. It does have the zipper in the back as well. So let me go ahead and show you around.
Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body.
Let's go with the next piece. Next outfit that we have here is this new style of bandana kind of that they have it together. I remember seeing Cardi B at first when she rocked out something similar, but as a dress. It looks so hot. This one right here, I love it. I love the colors, the bright yellow, the orange, the black, the green. But this one right here, like I said, the pants are sold separately and the jacket as well. The pants itself are like the windbreaker type and it's not lined. So it does fit me a little tight from my behind. But overall, I do like it. It does have the string here for you to actually make the waist smaller. And then the jacket itself does have a hoodie right here, which, you know, when I use it, I'll most likely take it off because you can take it off. But yeah, overall, the jacket itself is really warm and it is lined. And I just paired it with this bandeau, this white one that I had in my closet. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you around.
I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
outfit. Oh my goodness. This is really, really nice. I like it. This is actually sold separately. The top, it's kind of like a satin kind of material. It is thin, but it's not see-through. I really like that new style now that they have this detail right here in the shirt. It does have a zipper, so it's kind of in a way of like a corset looking, kind of like that style. The pants itself are that ruche style, which is scrunched all the way to the side. And it's very shiny. It's a blue navy color, and it's a very shiny material. It's almost like that faux leather, but a little like thinner. It is lined, so it's not like it's you know, straight on there. It is a little warm, and there is no pockets on this one, but like I said, I really like this detail. You know, as far as like put these on with some heels, it will definitely look good. But let me go ahead and show you around.
Boom, boom. Knock it down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that.
Let's go with the next one. Next outfit we have here. So the other blue pants that I showed you, I liked them so much that I had to also get the red one. I have the habit of doing that. When I like something, I try to get the other colors as well. But this red one, it is a little different in material than the blue one though. The blue one is shiny, this one's not. This was more like a faux leather, and it is more stretchier than the blue one. So it's definitely different, but it still has that ruche style that's scrunched to the sides right here. And then I also have this top that I got. This also is sold separately. This is a halter top. I really, really like it. Kind of also like a corset looking. It does have the zipper in the back, and the pants have no pockets. It does have a string for you to tie it and, you know, to make the waist a little bit tighter if you want. But let me show you around.
Got your head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress.
Let's go with the next one. This next set, this actually does come as a set. And let me tell you, these fox leather clothing, faux leather, it's very warm and I keep sweating. So, oh man, this is the style and I do like it a lot. I do love the way it fits, but I think this is for like winter only, because for summer, oh my gosh, it will be horrible because it makes you sweat a lot. But overall, like I said, I do like this skirt. This one right here has the button detail on the side, and it gives it that really, really nice figure. It's really tight, and then it has the zipper in the back. Right here, this one, I need to put a safety pin, or of course I would wear like a shirt underneath it. But this also comes with the crop jacket type, and the sleeves itself is, the material is thinner than this one itself. So the blue portion of it is thicker and the black sleeves is a lot thinner. But it is lined a little bit. And like I said, overall, I really like this. I like the color combination with the two black and blue. But let me go ahead and show you around.
I'm too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down.
Let's go with the next one. Last pieces for this haul. Oh my gosh, finally. As you can tell, my hair has gone from curly to like all down already. I've been doing the TikToks as well, so yeah, it's been kind of a interesting night so far. But this one right here, oh my gosh. So this is actually individual. It's sold separately. The top is exactly like the black one. Like I said before, I do like something, I like to get it with another color. So they had also the dark brown. I did get this like I said, in a dark brown. It is a halter top. It does have the zipper and it has that kind of corset style. And then the pants, the jogger pants, these are the exact same material as the navy blue ones. They're shiny nude color. It has the ruche, you know, like right here, the sewing on the side. It's really, really nice. I love the way this nude with this dark brown color looks and it goes. So definitely, I would say one of my favorites. You know, pair it up with some nude heels, definitely would go. So also, like I said, the pockets, the joggers do not have pockets. It is a little stretchier, but yeah, overall I love it. So let me go ahead and show you around.
Boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man.
Well, we finally reached the end of the video. I hope you like this try-on haul from the company called styledelivers. If you have any comments or any questions or anything like that, go ahead and let me know in the comment box down below. But before we go, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, all right? Other than that, I'll see you into the next video. Bye!